Hello, children. Today we are going to learn the letter V. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter V. V for vase. V for vulture. V for violin. V for vegetables. V for van. This is the letter V reading fun. Now, let's read a short story together. A boy plays the violin. The vulture is flying above the sky, eyeing on a van full of vegetables. Also, see the big vase. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Tell the students that vegetables are very useful for our health. T. Listen to the letter V by watching video. E. Use Play-Doh to make a shape of V. A. Draw a vase on a paper and color it. M. Count objects beginning with the sound V around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. V, O, W, vow. V, A, N, van. V, E, T, vet. Well done, children. Goodbye.